Love's in the air, everywhere I look around. I love this so much. Melted cheese, chili, tomatoes, onions, avocado, cilantro, sour cream, nachos. Life is good. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, chicken nachos. This is really delicious, fantastic if the game's on or you've got a dinner party or something like that. I love this. It's a big amount, everyone gets their hands in, gets everyone chatting. Lovely ingredients in there, very simple. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so let's get started on this. It's really quite simple. First we're going to do the chicken. There's lots of other ingredients that I'm going to show you later, and just to let you know now, all the amounts are in the text below. So I've got some stripped chicken here. As you can see, I've got gloves on. We're going to mix this in a minute. I've got some chicken here. I'm using chicken thigh, nice and juicy. You could, if you want, use chicken breast. So a little bit, there's no skin on it, just a little bit of fat and mostly meat. Onion, olive oil, garlic, up to you. I've got quite a lot there, it's like a tablespoon. And then here, like a teaspoon each of chili powder, oregano and cumin powder. We're going to add some salt and pepper to this, but first, all in a bowl, give it a mix. Okay, so as you can see, I've got a mixing bowl, my chicken and my onion is in. Let's drop that garlic in. Those spices, let's just take one more look. Oregano, cumin and chili powder. You could be using some paprika if you wanted as well. While I'm here, some black pepper, and I like quite a lot of black pepper in mine. Some salt. And some olive oil. So we're going to mix this up, hence my lovely gloves. Then we're going to get over to the cooker, we're going to fry this off, and then once it's kind of cooked up, we're going to add a little bit of barbecue sauce. Very easy, very tasty. Great for kind of like, you know, dinner party or something like that. Everyone's hands in. Okay, here we go. So I've got a pan here. What we're going to do is drop our chicken in there. And on an above medium heat, we're going to let that go for about four minutes would probably be enough. And then at that point, I'm going to add a few bell peppers. Fantastic, lovely aromas coming out of this. Nice juicy chicken. Like I said, going to get some bell peppers in there. Nice bit of colour and crunch. And the reason I'm putting them in very late is because I don't want to cook them very much at all. So in that goes. And now some barbecue sauce. Now you can choose which one you want. This is a kind of smoky, hickory flavoured barbecue sauce. Off goes the heat. Mix that in. And this stage is done. Like I say, that barbecue sauce just gives it a really nice little tangy moisture. Lovely. Okay, let's go and look at a few other bits that we're going to use to make this very simple chicken nachos. Okay, so there's our chicken there that we just done. Now here I've got some jalapenos. I've got red and green. These are a pickled one, which I'm using. You could use fresh if you wanted. Sliced red onion, chopped tomato, cheese. We're going to need quite a lot of cheese here. I've got mozzarella and cheddar in there. You could be mixing that up. And of course at the back there, we've got some nachos. I've got like 200 grams of those, and I'm going to cook them. We're going to cook them in this. So you're going to need some form of dish, like a cast iron skillet, a metal tin, a ceramic tin, or like me, glass, that can go into the oven. Very easy. Let's get building. Okay, so simply we're going to build this in a kind of same way we would do lasagna or something. So I've got some nachos in there. Let's get some of our chicken in the mix. Let's get some fresh tomatoes there. Little bit of the green jalapeno, little bit of the red. Let's get some sliced red onion in there. You can play around with the amounts of this, of course. And then let's get some cheese. And go to cheese. Okay. So that's it. Repeat the process. Okay, look at that, amazing. Right, we're done. What we've got to do now is get your oven on maximum heat, full blast. This is gonna go in my one for about 12 to 15 minutes. That's all you got to do. Don't worry about anything else, the temperatures and that, just full blast, get it in 10, 12, 15 minutes. You'll know what we're looking for. When it comes out, we're gonna do a few other little touches. Check that out, straight out the oven. Talk about me being happy, that is delicious. What we're gonna do now is get some avocado on there. And just a little trick, when I cut my avocado, I put it in lemon juice, stop it going brown. Once the air gets to your avo, it can turn colour pretty quickly. Cilantro or coriander, a little bit now. And then a few dabs of sour cream all over. This really is fantastic for, like I said, a dinner party. Everyone gets their hands in there. Everyone's happy. I love this. I love this, I love this so much. Is it healthy? Probably not. It's not that healthy, is it? There's a lot of cheese in there, a lot of this sour cream. But it is incredible. I'm gonna do one more dab of sour cream, a little bit more cilantro. Hallelujah. There you go, that's done. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Nacho love.